Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. So at first guys, you will need to go to the ElevenLabs.io website and sign in with your account, and after that you will need to go to the voices right here on the left hand menu. Okay, so it's the second option under the home option. And right now you can go with that plus icon, or you can go and click on create a voice option that's located at the top right of the page. So once you click it, you will be able to see three options right here: voice design, instant voice clone, and professional voice clone. Okay, so to go with instant voice clone or professional voice clone, you will need to subscribe first. Okay, so you'll need to choose a plan from these plans: starter, creator, and pro. And once you get a plan, if you don't already, you will need to go and choose one of these: instant or professional. And then you will need to provide the voice samples. Okay, so record directly using the ElevenLabs interface, or upload existing recording from your device. Okay, so your voice should be clear, noise-free audio, and 1 to 5 samples, usually 20 to 60 seconds each, and speak naturally and at a steady pace. Okay, so then just test the cloned voice, and once training is complete, go to the text to speech section. Okay, just right here, and from here you will need to select your clone voice. Okay, so you can find it on voices, my voices, and you will find it right here, and then just type the speech or the text and choose your voice. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.